Oh, hello there. Good afternoon once again to all my friends of EV. So here I am again for you to tell you, to discuss with you about how to spam, report spam in EV. So a couple of my friends asked me to do a video. I'm doing it for them. Okay. So you have this page here. So first we need to go to support. We have support here. I'm clicking it. Okay, and we have this page here. It has tickets, create new ticket, and signature. I'm selecting create new ticket. Here comes the options. You just give the subject, username of the person you want to report, maybe his URL, or just reporting spam comments. That's enough. Give description, username, and also the user link, member URL if you have, the profile link of the person if you have, and just tell them the admins in which post he or she has spammed. If possible, give the post URL also. And you have category. So under, if click that, you have general issues, tech issues, for suggestions, for abuse, and for IRC issue. I don't know what is that. And you have attached file. If you have evidence or if you have taken any screenshot, you just attach it, submit ticket. So this is one way of informing admins about the spammers. And there is another way for which, keep it in mind, that which we do not have permission. We are normal users, only admins will have permission. Initially we used to have, but currently we don't have. But anyway, I will explain you how to do that. Just go to your articles, select any of your article, any article for that case, view. I have not clicked it. I've clicked it. Okay, this one. Oh, the banner has changed of EV. I haven't noticed. Okay, so now I have this post of me, and I'm going to this edit post. It takes me to the WordPress interface. So here it is. I can edit, I can change settings, I can do whatever I want, but I won't do it. And I have here this side, posts, all posts, add new drafts, pending, media, comments and all. So I'll click comments. Here we can see all the comments of all the users who comment here. We can see all the comments. Not only those comments we have given, we can see every comment given in every post that is submitted in EV. Okay, so we have here. So here we can approve or spam or trash any comment if only we had access. We have permissions to do that. Only admins will have. If we had permissions, under every comment we get some buttons called quick edit, unapprove, edit, trash, spam, or say delete. Okay, so if we select spam, for example, I take my comment itself. I don't want to do it with others. So here it is my comment. See here, you can see that unapprove, reply, quick edit, edit and spam. If I click spam, this will be notified to admins and they will see and check if the comment is really spam or not, so that they can take the action whether to delete my account or to keep it. So shall I click spam? No, I won't click it. I have not spammed. Okay, this is my profile, so I can see the options here, and these are all others' profiles. Other users submitted these comments, so I cannot see them. I cannot do anything with that. Only admins can do it. I can change, approve, reply, edit, whatever I have written, but I do not have permissions to do for others. So for now, what we can do is, just to raise a support ticket from here to report them. From here. Just do it from here for now, until the time admins give us permissions to report spam. That's all for now. Take care everyone. Bye bye. Love you all.